So first of all, we go to video and click create video. And after that, go to this motion control, add in your motion video, driving video, number 2 here, and add in the character that you wish to show in the video. So for me, I will add in this Asian female look, and you can choose either you want it to be 720p or 1080. So I just want to test it out. So I'm choosing 720, Kling 3.0, motion control. And the background, I want it to be like the video with an icon unit at the back. Let's look at the advanced setting. You can also add in the prompt. You can describe the background and scene detail of your videos if you want it to be more detailed. And as you can see the video here, I'm actually dancing, moving around. So I just want to test whether this character, new character, can mimic everything that I'm doing in the video. Okay, so now let's see the result. Hey, my name is Winnie and today I'm going to do the test on the motion control. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Dance, dance, dance. Ding. Hey, my name is Winnie. Wow, it looks so real. I'm going to do the test. Hey, my name is... This is so cool. And you can do it your own as well. Cheers! Follow for more tips. See you next in the video. Hey, my name is Winnie and today I'm going to do the test on... Hey, my name is Winnie and today I'm going to do the test on the motion control. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Dance, dance, dance.